Hello and welcome to the Duolingo walkthrough channel. So tonight we already did some accusative in the other recording. So let's click stories. Duolingo Stories. Earn XP through mini stories that challenge your reading and listening comprehension. Complete all the stories to unlock the next step. And we're on set 1. We did good morning, guten Morgen. So let's do a date.
Ein Date.
Ein Date. What'd you say?
Ein Date.
Say that again.
Ein Date.
Don't say that.
Ein Date.
I told you not to say that.
Ein Date.
Okay already. Anyway.
Julia hat ein Date.
Julia hat ein Date.
Hallo, wie geht's?
Hallo, wie geht's?
Gut, danke.
Gut, danke. Hello, how are you? Good, thank you.
Was möchtest du essen?
Was möchtest du essen? What do you want to eat? Julia's date wants to know what Julia wants to eat, where to find the restaurant, or how much food to cost. How much does the food cost? Well, of course, I already said the date wants to know what she wants to eat.
Einen Salat.
Einen Salat. That means a salad.
Ich esse kein Fleisch.
Ich esse kein Fleisch. That means she doesn't eat meat.
Bist du Vegetarierin?
Are you a vegetarian?
Ja.
Yes.
Ich auch.
I as well am a vegetarian. The man is also a vegetarian. Yes, that's true.
Super. Super.
Super. That means super. Super. It's the same as in English almost. If you're reading it, if you look at the letters.
Woher kommst du?
Woher kommst du?
Aus Frankreich.
Aus Frankreich.
Mein Vater kommt aus Italien.
Where do you come from? From France. My father comes from Italy.
Und meine Mutter kommt aus Deutschland.
Und meine Mutter kommt aus Deutschland. Deutschland. She comes from, so his mother comes from Germany. What does he mean? His father is French and his mother is Italian? His father is Italian, his mother is German. Or both of his parents are German. Well, he says, mein Vater kommt aus Italien. My father comes out of Italy. And meine Mutter kommt aus Deutschland. So his father is Italian, his mother is German.
Ich komme auch aus Italien. Ich komme auch aus Italien.
Ich komme auch aus Italien. So she also comes from Italy.
Italien ist schön.
Italy is nice.
Hast du Hunde oder Katzen?
Form the sentence you hear. Hast du Hunde oder Katzen? Have you a dog or a cat?
Ich habe eine Katze und einen Hund.
I have a cat and a dog.
Ah, toll.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Ich habe auch einen Hund, Katrin.
I also have a dog. What a coincidence. He has a dog too, Katrin, he says.
Was?
Was?
Ich heiße Julia.
Ich heiße Julia. That she's Julia, she's not Katrin. My name is Julia, she says.
Und mein Date heißt Felix.
Und mein Date, not date, Date. Mein Date heißt Felix. So Julia und der Mann, Julia and the man were supposed to meet different people. Yes, that's true.
Ich heiße Daniel.
I am called Daniel. Daniel.
Eine Frau kommt zu Daniel.
Eine Frau kommt zu Daniel. A woman comes towards Daniel.
Entschuldigung, bist du Daniel?
Ich bin Katrin.
Excuse me, are you Daniel? I'm Catherine.
Nein, tut mir leid. Ich bin Felix.
No, I'm sorry, I am Felix. At the end of the story, Daniel, lied to his date because he likes Julia? What? Was tired of talking to Julia? Or what? Met someone named Jan? Well, I think he lied to his real date. So, select the pairs. Gut is good. Meine, my. Italian, Italy. Danke, thank you. And kommt. Say kommt, not kommt. Kommt, say kommt. You earned 24 XP. You've reached your daily goal. You've earned 1 lingot. Nice job reaching your daily goal. So I advise everyone to do a story as soon as you can. Do a story when you're doing the modules, because you learn new words and you learn how the words go together with people. Und danke for joining us on the Duolingo German Tree Walkthrough channel. Und auf Wiedersehen.